How to enable conditional formatting in Power BI for maximum and minimum sales value. For this, I create a one column chart. For x-axis, I'm taking the value from a month name, and y-axis, I'm taking the value for total sales. And I already created one measure for a conditional formatting the minimum and maximum value of sales. Apply this measure in the columns color conditional formatting function. So I select the field value here and I choose the measure sales minimum max and values measure. Then you can see the conditional formatting is applied for minimum sales value and maximum sales value. To verify this, we just enable this data label, and if you want to make the beautification of this chart, you can just enable the border property of this chart. Then it will enable other all other column other bars. So from this you can easily identify what is the maximum sales and what is the minimum sales. You like these tips, try to like this and share this video.